8. I go finish you today. You know as I did this game play. I go even spell your name. You know say na 2-0 now. Shey you dey counter. I go beat you like say you be small pikin. I go finish you. 8, 2, 6, 3. Count down. 7. You go know say I be oga for this video, but you don't hear this one wey dem say àjẹkún ìyà ni ó jẹ àjẹkún ìyà ni ó jẹ ẹni tí ó tó ní náà ti ń dènà dé ni àjẹkún ìyà ni ó jẹ. My husband.
You no fit play game without not talking.
Hey. Come on, this is I go finish you today.
Na game wey dey play, no dey talk.
1 6 2 6 4 kill am. 1 time 6 1. You and who? I tell you, I go finish you. Say they count the game. Say they count the game. Na 2-0 now. This one.
Sorry, I never play.
Which count do you do?
The one where they talk self, they vex me.
Play. 4 count your game. 4.
1.
No, which kind game be that one now?
Na my game. Sorry. 1 2 3.
Feel kill am Janu. I tell you today now. I go just finish you. I'm spelling your name for you. Yeah. I go finish you today.
For this studio,
I don't beat you too now.
I best stop am.
The last one na 3. I don't spell Ben. B-E-N. Ben. But the Benjamin. I go fit still spell am.
If na play, stop am.
6. Let's play.
10.
Oh, yeah, count down. 63. Chop am again. I don't tell you finish.
You no fit do without not talking. Wetin come be your problem now?
Now be the beauty of the game now. As I dey beat you, no dey sweet you. I tell you say you no sabi play game. Na me be the man of this game.
Stop am, I no like am.
Wait, na my game be this one now. 1 2 3 4 5 6. I don't win you. 3-0. 3-0. Benjamin. I can't say Ben. Mr. Ben. He meant it's Jamie. I don't give you that one today. I don't play again. I don't win you.
Hello. We are playing game. Benjamin or Mr. Benjamin, which one they call? No, they call my name. It's a game. We they play game.
But I don't win you. I'm 3-0.
Wetin call consign Benjamin? I be Benjamin wey dey call now. I dey tell you now.
Wait. Because I beat you 3-0. Now you can't dey get hot temper like that.
Na me dey hot abi.
I be your husband now. Now me dey marry you. I don't beat you. I don't finish you.
I go beat you with wetin dey do me now. Stop am. I dey tell you now.
I don't beat you now. Yeah.
See how they play. Which kind thing be this now?
I feel like game with the nature of the snap. I say you don't sabi play. I don't think they follow you play game. You don't sabi.
I be husband though.
For this game, me I be husband for this game. For this game, that be husband.
Stop am, I dey want you. This how they play. Which kind thing wey come dey make I dey talk now. You use me play. On top which level be that? We dey play game and call count.
What's that now? What's my offense? Because I don't win you for you, and I make you beat me. What's that do now? Now me say make you no sabi play anything. You're going to beat me. Don't beat me again, no.
I say play.
Don't beat me.
It's just a joke. Play this thing.
Take am easy. Take am easy now. How come they follow play?
Me I talk. Which happen?
The actor.
You don't marry.
I never married. But at least I get married for my family. Me say I get my girlfriend. Very soon I will go marry. We go do wedding. We go dey live together.
Shey, you know say na you dey make person wey never marry come dey address me for house on top married matter. No be so? No be so? You know say na you cause am.
What did I do?
There is tension in your bedroom. Mr. Busy
If you
man.
don marry, you no go dey talk this
I
kind of thing.
understand. I dey watch everything for day. I dey see everything.
So you dey watch am, dey hear the song ba?
Definitely I know.
You too come dey sing am.
Even in the bedroom. What kind of life is this?
This life no hard. But if you dey take am hard, go dey hard for you. Even if na what you dey say, you go use yourself now. This na marriage, na school. You go dey teach your wife, follow am play, do some things down. If you no dey follow your wife play, you go just go outside, no man carry am go. Because woman as dem dey so, the heart dey flexible. Get dem dey see love, na so dem dey lie. Abeg, save your marriage.
Fake life everywhere. What kind of life is this? Tension everywhere. Even in a bedroom. In a bedroom.